Hi, Swami. Welcome to our audience ask segment. And here are my few rapid fire questions to you. My first one: if our listeners had to do two things differently from tomorrow based on what they've heard from your show today, what would those be?
I think one would be to stay close to customers, users, understand their needs, understand their wants, understand their emotions, understand what they are seeing, understand what they are not seeing, and spend time and make it a habit to spend at least like 30 minutes a day with them. That's one. Number two, between if you talk about luck, you have good luck and bad luck. While a good luck cannot make anyone great, but bad luck can really kill someone. So be prepared for bad luck, and whenever you get good luck, make the most out of it.
Great. My next one: who is your constant source of inspiration?
My constant source of inspiration has been Stephen Covey. I have been following Covey for a very long time, and actually, there are many people, but if I had to pick one, that would be Stephen Covey. And another one is my mother. I think a lot of my learnings in leadership I think I've taken after her, and I have processed this really very very deeply on why I do certain things in a certain way, and there are a lot of influences from mother. So two people I'll pick is my mother and Stephen Covey.
Super. My next one, which is a fill in the blank: technology to me is dash.
Technology to me is an intelligent catalyst which can self learn and catalyze business growth. Technology exists to catalyze business outcomes, and yeah.
Wow, exciting. My next one: what kind of music do you recommend our audience for listening while they are working?
I would say soft piano instrumentals which sort of play repeated notes, because you don't get distracted with significantly changing note patterns or other emotions of louder music that may actually distract you from what you're doing. So if you want to multitask, listen to music and work, I think soft piano instrumentals have worked well for me. Similarly, acoustic guitars. Yeah.
Interesting. And my last one: share with us one best practice that any techie must follow.
I think seeking truth, I would say, and there is a when I say seeking truth pre-creation and post-creation. Pre-creation is making sure there are no thinking bugs when you get a requirement. Ask questions on why, what, why now, why not something else, and about how. And post-creation, spend time looking at what you've created, the health of it. Does it require any attention? Is everything going well? It's like a baby that you have to nurture and ensure every day you take care of it.
Great. Thank you, Swami, for doing this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohit. Thank you so much.